Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So today video I will share you all jeans, crafts, creative dye ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. We are going to explore some creative and useful all denim jeans crafts ideas. Many people have old jeans at home that they no longer wear. Instead of throwing them away, we can turn them into beautiful and cheap useful handmade items. Denim fabric is strong, durable, and perfect for many diapers. With a little creative, old jeans can become something completely new. Recycle old jeans is also a great way to reduce waste and protect the environment. Let's look at some amazing crafts ideas you can make with old denim bags. One of the most popular denim crafts is denim handbags. Old jeans pockets can be used as ready-made pocket for denim. And the weavers you can cut the legs of the jeans and swing them together to create a stylish and strong bag. Denim bags are perfect for shopping, travel, or daily use. You can decorate them with lace, embroidered button, or colorful fabric patches. And dear friends, denim storage basket. Another creative idea is a denim storage basket. You can string pieces of denim together and create a strong fabric basket. These baskets are perfect for organizing small items like yarn, toy, makeup, or crafts. Adding a soft linings inside make the basket stronger and more beautiful. And denim cushions cover. All denim jeans can also be turned into decorative cushions cover. Denim cushions look modern, stylish in living room or bedroom. You can create patchwork patterns using different shades of denim, adding button or pockets to the cushions cover, giving a unique design. So I hope you like my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So friends, Allah Hafiz, thanks for watching my channel and thanks for watching my